Hey YouTube, in this video I'll be showing you how to use a airsoft pistol. This one is a fake one, obviously. It's a Stinger P311. It is a 6mm BB caliber. And first thing you need to know about this is that the safety is right here. It goes up and down. You want the safety to be on when you're loading it, so that you can't accidentally cock this. And to get this to come out, to put the BBs in, you hit this button right here, and it comes out. And I think this thing holds 12 BBs, but I'm not sure, so I'm going to put 12 BBs in here. Just load them in like this. And so you just do that. Safety's on, remember? Goes in this flap going this direction. Pull the safety down, cock it, and fire. Obviously I'm in the house, so I won't fire this, but if you're in a house, just do that. And remember, safety. And I only pack yellow BBs, so. And that's my video on how to use a airsoft pistol.